Has your banking information changed, or would you prefer your mortgage payments come from a different account? With My Mortgage, you can easily change your bank account information in a few easy steps. Before you start, make sure you have a copy of your pre-printed, pre-authorized debit form or a personalized void check from your new bank account. Your account must be a valid personal checking account, and at least one person on the bank account must be a title holder on the mortgage. Next, visit My Mortgage and log into your account. Select My Profile, and then change My Bank Account Information. Let us know the date that you would like us to start using your new banking information. Then, upload your pre-printed, pre-authorized debit form or personalized void check by clicking the paperclip icon below the text box. Once you send your request, you will receive a confirmation email. Remember, it can take up to 5 business days to update your account, so make sure you send in your new information with plenty of time before your next payment date. Don't forget, if you have any questions during this process, you can start a chat with a First National representative by clicking Start Chat. Managing your mortgage has never been easier. Visit mymortgage.firstnational.ca today and get started.